Door opens by pulling on the left-hand side. Indicates a door that must be pulled open from the left-hand side, seen in ships, industrial buildings, and emergency routes, ensures quick access during evacuation. Door opens by pulling on the right-hand side. Shows a door that must be pulled open from the right-hand side, located on ships, safety exits, and emergency passageways, helps prevent confusion during rapid escape. Embarkation ladder. Indicates another ladder used for boarding life rafts or boats, found on ship decks and muster stations, used during abandoned ship procedures. Evacuation chair. Shows where an evacuation chair for mobility-impaired persons is stored, found in buildings, ships, and high-rise structures, used to safely transport people downstairs during emergencies. Water life-saving equipment. Identifies nearby flotation or rescue devices, common near pools, harbors, docks, and ship decks, used only in emergencies to assist someone in the water. Tsunami evacuation area. Marks a route or zone used to evacuate during a tsunami, seen in coastal cities, beaches, and harbor regions, move to higher ground immediately when directed.